to move your body with me.
Hi! In this video, we are going to explore our life cycle from being a baby, a kid, a grown-up, to a very old person. It's gonna be fun. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we are also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. You're gonna bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow. Twist, twist. One more time. Ooh, ah, wow. Twist, twist. When you're a baby, there's very little you can do on your own. We're going to explore what it might feel like to be a baby. Roll a little bit back and forth on your back. A big development for babies is when they learn to grab their feet. I want you to grab your feet and give yourself a rock back and forth. This is called happy baby. The next big development for babies is crawling. Practice crawling around your room a little bit. You might see things differently from this perspective. Once you learn how to walk and get older, and you can run, you can jump, you can skip, your balance gets much better. Let's test our balance. I'm gonna go up on one foot. You can hold your leg in front of you. You can grab your leg behind you. Put one arm out to the side, or you can touch your nose, or you can try both legs out to the side. Really challenge yourself. Maybe you go up on one toe, or extend your foot to the front or the side, or maybe behind you. And see how long you can keep your balance without falling over. If you feel like you're gonna fall, just put your foot down. You don't have to fall over and hurt yourself or bring anyone else down with you. Try on your other leg. Nice work balancing. Now, as you get older, you get stronger, your muscles build, you get taller. So I want you to imagine that you are growing up. You're getting taller and stronger. All right? Now I want you to take a walk as this big, tall, strong grown-up. Now, as you walk around as this big, tall, strong grown-up, I want you to think about what you want to do when you grow up. What will you be when you grow up? Go ahead and say it out loud. Use your body to pretend to do the things you think you will do when you grow up. Now let's imagine that we are very, very, very old. Like 100 years old. We're so old. What is something you think a very, very old person would say? How would it sound? Use your voice and your words to add to this image that you're making of a very, very old person. Let's move slower than we did earlier. Can you help me cross the road? Well, you make a very good old person. Now we've used our bodies and our imaginations to go from being babies all the way to being very old. With that in mind, let's try to finish these sentences. When I was a baby, I... Now finish this sentence. Now I... What is something that you can do now that you couldn't do when you were a baby? Here's the last sentence. When I grow up, I... How would you finish that sentence? What are you going to do when you grow up? Well, that's a lot to think about. Now it's time to cool down. You can sit like me, or you can do this standing up, but make sure that you're sitting up or standing up nice and tall. We're going to use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here is something you can do later. Remember those sentences we talked about? The 3 sentences? When I was a baby, now I, when I grow up, I. You can write them down or draw a picture to go along with them. Something else you can do later is to ask someone who's older than you, maybe someone in your family or a close friend, to tell a story about you when you were a baby. Maybe you can ask about your birth or when you came home for the first time, or you can ask your family to tell a story about them when they were your age. I think you will learn a lot and be really surprised. Thanks for moving your body with me. See you next time.